So in today's video, I'm going to review the paid version of IG.io. If you guys want to buy this cheat, use my discount code CYROX for 10% off. Like and subscribe. Let's get into the review. Alright, so let's review IG.io paid. This is the menu. So you have Aimbot, Triggerbot, ESP, skins, miscellaneous, and custom. I'm going to go for every single one of these. So first we have the Aimbot tab. Aimbot tab, it's pretty easy to set up. You just put whatever field of view you want. Smoothest level, you can put it to whatever you want as well. It's all fully customizable, except for the hitboxes. You can only pick a single hitbox, which I kind of dislike. And also something that I don't like about the menu is the menu font. I hope they're going to change it at some point. And also, if you guys want to buy this cheat, it's $9.99. And if you guys want to buy the cheat, you can use my code CYROX for 10% off. Okay, let's start with the aimbot. So, aimbot is pretty simple to set up. Nothing too crazy. I have it on a very legit setting, and I don't typically use aimbot anyways. I don't use aimbot, but I'm just going to put the field of view to max and putting the smoothing to 0. Aimbot also works, as you can see. So since I have the hitbox selected for chest, it goes for chest. If I have it for head, it's going to go to the head. As you can see, it goes for the head. Now I feel like they do need to make the aimbot a little bit more different because I don't like the way that it goes to someone's head. Overall, the aimbot works perfectly fine. There's nothing bad about it. And yeah, that's basically the aimbot. Next up is a Triggerbot. So we have it. So pistol settings, I have it on default because I don't use Triggerbot myself because I don't feel like there's any need to it. There we go. As you can see, Triggerbot works. It's just doing everything for me. Same for the rifles. See it. As you can see, Triggerbot works. As soon as this is not me shooting, this is actually just me hovering over them and trying to shoot them. In my opinion, they need to change the ESP and the ESP font. And it's also a little buggy, as you can see. Like if I go like this, then it just disappears. It's gonna be like a bug that they're gonna fix. And it's probably because I do have spotted ESP on, but I don't know. But I feel like it's literally just a bug. Let's go to the ESP now. And this is the ESP part. So you get box thickness. You can choose how thick that you want the box. Obviously enable or disable. And then you can turn on visible only. What this does is when you're behind a wall, it doesn't show the ESP. But when you peek, it shows the ESP. So it's a cool little feature for legit cheating, but it's a little buggy, as you can see. It takes a while to disappear. And I think they're going to fix that in future updates, though. You have also box fill, radar. So you can adjust it. So you can adjust the size, the player size, how big you want the circles to be. And you can also choose no background. As you see, the radar also fully works. And then you have the fade level for the ESP, which is, I'm pretty sure, the outlines. It should be. I'm pretty sure the fade levels are the outlines. Or not. Okay. I don't know what the fade level does. You have display names. Display health. So you can put it to like text. I have it on bar because that looks the best. Font size. This is how big you want your fonts to be. So if I enable display name. So this is the smallest you can do. See, it's very tiny. And this is the biggest. Let me go back. And this is the biggest font you can do. Font size at least. And then that's basically it for the ESP. You can do box style if you want it to be like this. If you want it cut. Gradient, you can pick your gradient. So if you want it like left, like this. So you can pick your gradient for the colors. And also what's like, I guess a good thing about it is, so there's like no config system, but it automatically saves for you, which is really good, in my opinion. And let's check out the bomb timer. And, okay, wait, let me enable it. And there you go. That's the C4 timer. You can see the bomb timer. It works perfectly fine. You can see which site it's landed on. And every time you get close to the bomb, as you can see, when you get close, the text gets smaller and smaller. So that's the ESP part. Alright, so next up is the skins. I would like for the select list to not be there, but I mean, it's pretty good. The skin changer works perfectly fine. They will add knife skin changer soon. They are actually working on that. So it's gonna be soon. And as you can see, I have all my skins. Let's say I want a P250. Let's just say like a random ass skin with the P250. So let's say like Army Mesh or something. Now that I've done that, you take the PT-50 and there you go. Now you have the army mesh. The cheat is really easy to use. Let's say I wanted like a Tech 9, like Asimov or something, then there you go. You have a Tech 9 Asimov. It's pretty simple to config. It's nothing too hard. Yeah, skin trigger works perfectly fine. Gloves, they work perfectly fine. So let's take like sport gloves, marble fade. Oh wait, that's specialist. Let's take specialist gloves, marble fade. And there you go. Those are the specialist gloves. It's really easy to use, really good cheat. And yeah, next up, MISC. So here you have standalone RCS, which is, if you guys don't know, it's recoil control. As you can see, I'm just holding left click, and it's doing all the recoil control for me. So if I go here, all you have to do is just hold your mouse down, is just pull your mouse down, and the RCS is going to do it all for you. I think it's pretty neat, because all you have to do is just pull your mouse down. My Triggerbot's on, my bad. I'm gonna turn the Triggerbot off, because there's no need for it. Yeah, as you see, I'm just holding left click and pulling the mouse down, and it's all just doing it for me. As long as I pull down, it's gonna be fully accurate every time. So if you pull down, it's gonna be fully accurate. There's not much to the miscellaneous part. There's spectator list. This does something, I don't know what this does. I'm gonna show you guys the spectator. So there's also a spectator list. So I'm gonna grab an op and shoot my teammate in the head. Here you guys the spectator list. And there you go. There's a spectator list. Next up, we have custom. Here you customize all of your ESP box, team box, C4 timer, diffuse timer, radar background, etc. You get the gist. So I'm actually going to change the ESP because I don't like how it looks. So you just click on the color that you're going to change. Just going to click on that. And then you can change whatever color you want. So let's say I want like a red box with, let's say, green. There you go. So that is for, I'm pretty sure, the invisible box. And this is the visible. You can see it changes colors. I'm gonna do like, we'll do like a blue enemy box outline. We'll just put it to black. You can put it to whatever you want. You can put it to like purple or something. If you want it to be purple, you can make it purple, but that's all your choice. It's all up to you. It's fully customizable. So let's say I want like a red outline, right? It's like a red outline. Or a black one, actually. Black outline. There you go. And yeah, the cheat is really easy to config. You guys can config it however you like. And this is visibility check. It shows, and then there's team ESP as well. But I only use the enemy ESP, and as you can see. And if I toggle the ESP to visible off, as you can see, it changes colors. Which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So if you guys want the sheet, the link will be in the description for the paid version. And if you guys are buying the cheat, use my code Cyrox, and you'll get 10% off of every iCheat monthly paid sub. And yeah, that's basically it for this cheat. I'm giving the scoring an 8 out of 10 because I feel like it's lacking quite a bit, like ESP and the menu font doesn't look good. But overall, it's a really good cheat, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next cheat vid.